Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can update the location in Gemini AI. First of all, open the Gemini AI in any Chrome or Edge browser, and then you can see there is the setting option in the bottom hand corner of your screen. You should go to the left hand to your screen and you can click the drop down menu and you can see that there is a location update. You can read this and then you can get some help from this. Now let us use precise location. You can see that now I'm not being able to update my location. So if you are having an ad block, you can see those icons over there. You should go ahead and click on allow and then click on done. After it, if you go down and click on update location, your location will be updated shortly. You can see that my location has been updated after I turn off the location blocker or ad blocker. This way you can easily update your location. Just go to the drop down menu and click on update location and it will update your current location. You can also use precise location and your location will be shown in the map. So this is how you update your location in Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.